you're going to have A minor, C, D major, F major, A minor, E major, A minor, E major. That's the intro progression. For the verse, you have A minor, C, D, F, A minor, C, and then two E's. A minor, C, D, F, A minor, E major. Then you start the intro progression again for the break. All the verses have the same progression, just looping again and again. After every verse, you have a break of the intro progression, then you start another verse. And the organ solo is also the same progression. So let's move to the picking pattern now. The picking pattern for the A minor is going to be the A string, you strum, and the high E, B, G. C major is the same, A string, strum, high E, B, G. D major is from D string, strum, high E, B, G. F major is the same thing, D string, strum, high E, B, G. A minor, you already know, A string, strum, high E, B, G. E major is from the low E string, strum, high E, B, G. Then back to your A minor, and then your E major, which is low E string, strum, high E, B, G. For the A minor chord, you have the second of D, the second of G with your ring finger, and the first of B with your index finger. The C major, you have third of A, second of D with your middle, and first of B with your index. For D major, you have the second of G, the third of B, and the second of high E. For the F major, you have the third of D, the second of G, and the first of B and high E. That's a bar for that one. So you're covering two strings with one finger. For the E major, you have the second of A, the second of D, and the first of G, and you play all the strings for this one. Yeah, E major and A minor have the same shape, they're just different chords. And D minor, which was for the outro of the song, was the second of G, the third of B, and the first of high E with your index finger. And for this one, you also play from the D string downwards. For the outro progression, you're going to play A minor, D minor, which is the same picking pattern as D major, A minor, D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, D minor. Then you finish with the A major. In total, that's 10. You need A minor, D minor, 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 and then lastly you finish with the A major. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.